Tired of spending weekends mowing your lawn? Wish you could reclaim your free time? Dragging out the heavy mower every week is exhausting. Sweating under the sun, pushing back and forth. Missed spots, uneven cuts, and grass clippings everywhere. Busy schedule means your lawn gets neglected. Sound familiar? You're not alone. What if your lawn could mow itself? Meet the Husqvarna automower 415X robotic lawn mower. Click the link in the description to get the best price on Amazon. The world leader in robotic mowing technology. Effortlessly achieve a perfectly cut lawn without lifting a finger. Control everything right from your smartphone. Seamless app integration with Automower Connect. Compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Home. Schedule mowing anytime, anywhere. Track your mower's location with built-in GPS. Worried about theft? GPS tracking keeps it secure. Set up work areas and stay-out zones easily. Create custom mowing schedules to fit your life. Covers up to 0.4 acres. Perfect for small to medium yards. Runs quietly, so you barely notice it's working. No more noisy gas engines disturbing your peace. 3 razor-sharp blades cut grass more frequently. Your lawn always looks freshly trimmed. Adjustable cutting heights from 0.8 to 2 inches. Tailor the cut to your grass type and season. Weatherproof design handles rain and sun. Navigates narrow passages and slopes up to 22 degrees. Handles challenging yards with ease. Physical boundary wire ensures reliable navigation. Works even in shaded areas or complex layouts. DIY installation kit included. Setup is simple. Place the charging station, lay the wire, and go. When the battery runs low, it returns to charge automatically. No more dragging cords or refueling. Collision and lift sensors keep pets and kids safe. Blades stop instantly if lifted or bumped. Peace of mind for families and pet owners. Compatible with a wide range of accessories. Customize your mower as your needs grow. Let's see the difference. Before, you spend hours mowing every week. After, relax while Automower quietly does the work. Before, missed patches and uneven grass. After, consistently beautiful, even cuts. Before, worry about theft or damage. After, GPS tracking and alarm keep your mower safe. Before, struggle with weather and tough terrain. After, reliable performance in all conditions. Before, mowing interrupts your family time. After, more time for what matters most. Imagine never having to mow again. Imagine a lawn that always looks perfect. Automower 415X makes it possible.
Smart, simple, and efficient.
Control from anywhere with your phone or voice. No more hassle, no more wasted weekends. Just set it and forget it. Perfect for busy professionals and tech lovers. Ideal for homeowners who value convenience. Take back your time and enjoy your yard. Let smart technology handle the hard work. Ready to upgrade your lawn care? Choose Husqvarna Automower 415X today. Effortless, smart mowing for a perfectly cut lawn. Seamless app and voice control with GPS tracking. Weatherproof design for reliable year-round performance. Join thousands who trust Husqvarna for their lawns. Download the Automower Connect app now. Transform your lawn care. Order your Automower 415X today.